In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps of setting up your first class on SeeSaw. SeeSaw is a great digital portfolio application that can be used with elementary and with high school grade students. It is available across multiple platforms and devices such as iPads, Chromebooks, and regular laptops. Now we're going to find SeeSaw on web.seesaw.me. Once you've found your way to the website, you can go ahead and sign up for free. Signing up for free allows teachers to set up to 10 classes per teacher, adding one additional teacher per class. All right, we're going to go ahead and I'm a teacher. Here you will fill out your personal information and click Create Account. Once you've completed creating your teacher account, you'll be able to create your first class. You'll go ahead and click Create Your First Class. Type in a name for your classroom, okay, and pick your grade level. Students have two options for signing in. For younger grade students, it's much simpler to use a QR code. If your high school students have email addresses, you may want to choose the Use Email Sign-In. You'll check that, and you'll be able to add your class list. You can add them manually, or you can paste a list from your roster. And you'll be able to add that and check right there. Now that you've added students to your classroom, you'll be able to see your classroom dashboard. On the left-hand side of your dashboard is where you'll see student work. Student work will only be published on the feed once it's been approved by a teacher. You can also access individual student work by clicking on their names to see their journal, right on the right-hand side of your dashboard. Student work can also be organized into file folders. You can create folders by going onto Class Feed, clicking on the folder on the right, and you'll see that I've already created two. I'm going to go ahead and go to Manage Folders to create a new one. Add New Folder and give it a name. I'll do Addition. Now when my students have addition work that they want to post, they can find the addition folder and make it much easier for them and for me to find their addition work. Digital portfolios are a great way to connect school and home. So inviting parents and family members is very simple by going to the left-hand side toolbar, clicking on your name, going down to Invite Parents, where you'll get two options to invite parents. The first invite option is the handout. The handout is student-specific. It includes a unique QR code that gives direct access to students' portfolio. Parents, guardians, or other family members can connect to that specific child's portfolio using the QR code without having to be approved by a teacher. The parent invite email, however, is a link where parents or guardians have to provide their name and email address before they are approved by the teacher to access the child's portfolio. So creating a class on SeeSaw is pretty simple. Features are great. You can go over to the plus sign right there to begin to see some of the great things that you can do on this digital portfolio now that you've set up your first class.